This summer, look forward to an inspiring weekend of lectures with Shaykh Hammad Mustafa al-Madani al-Qadri at Al-Hidayah 2026. For over 2 decades, Al-Hidayah has inspired hearts and minds across the United Kingdom, Europe, and beyond, bringing together young Muslims in an environment of knowledge, worship, reflection, and sincere companionship. This year, for the very first time, that journey comes to North America. From August 1st to 3rd at McMaster University in Hamilton, Ontario, Shaykh Hammad will deliver a series of thought-provoking lectures that connect the timeless wisdom of the Quran and Sunnah with the realities and challenges of modern life. An internationally respected scholar, renowned speaker, and mentor to Muslim youth worldwide, Shaykh Hammad combines the depth of traditional Islamic scholarship with a profound understanding of the contemporary world. His lectures continue to inspire audiences around the globe with clarity, authenticity, and practical guidance. Minhajul Quran International Canada looks forward to having you at Al-Hidayah 2026, a weekend of learning, worship, and spiritual renewal.